Dear students, today we are going to solve first order first linear differential equation. First order first linear differential equation hai se kaino hani yengsiko. A differential equation of the form dy by dx is equal to function of x and y. Function sigi f x comma y hai di kaino sta period function se x da would be I natraga y da would be I ko is called first order first degree differential equation hai badi nangi differential equation do the yariba highest order derivative se dy by dx hoigadaba order su 1 tagadaba degree su 1 tagadaba ko mathangda khoina tamdu se kaino method of solving first order linear differential equation. First order first degree differential equation se kamaina solve tawduino habisi yengsiko ahanba method ta differential equations with the variable separable form. Consider a first order first degree differential equation dy by dx is equal to function of x and y. Function of x and y pireko if this f x and y is equal to product of fx and the zy. Sta piriba function se function of x ka function of y ki product ta leitaragadi then this equation can be written as dy by dx is equal to fx into zy. Equation number 1 tareko sigi equation number 1 they are function of x ka function of y ka se separate to bayani by cross multiplication method use tawraga ko habadi nangi y sina left hand side ta thamba yare adugi x sina right hand side ta thamba yare ni ko and sigi form se kai kore the differential equation in equation number 1 is called variable separable type or variable separable form. Variable separable kawe maram di kaigino x ka y ka se separate tawba yaneba and see separate tawsiko 1 by zy dy is equal to fx and dx. We can separate the function of x and y by cross multiplication and integrating on both sides of the equation. Integration of 1 by zy dy and integration of fx and dx tareko. Integral of 1 by zy is hy and the integral of fx is equal to capital Ax plus c. And this is the general equation of differential equation in equation number 1, that is variable separable form. Variable separable form the leiram taragadi nangni x ka y ga se separate tawrani adugi matungda integration lawni ko. Now we are going to solve exercise 9.4. Exercise 9.4 na kai hai ge sing siko. For each of the differential equation, find the general solution. Nang na puthok chui se kai no general solution of the given differential equation. Question number 4. Sec square x 10y dx plus sec square y 10x dy is equal to 0. Sta piriba function se separate tawba yabra yadabra ni yengsiko. dy sina nangi left hand side ta thamo dx in the right hand side ta thamseko. Then separate the function of x and y by cross multiplication. Sec square y dy is the 10y later 10y la ko minus sec square x aduga sigi 10x 10x dx tareko. Then integrating on both sides of the equation habadi nangi x ka y ga se separate tawreba kai sijinaraga cross multiplication use tawraga ko integration of sec square y divided by 10y dy is equal to integration of minus sec square x dx divided by 10x tareko. Integration ge rule palase since the derivative of denominator 10y ki derivative se sec square y tai and derivative of 10x se kai ga manani sec square x tai ko and derivative of denominator ki derivative se numerator ta taraga the integration of the function is log of modulus of denominator 10y thamane minus log of modulus of 10x tareko 10x plus nangi constant se log c hai na hape log modulus of 10y si transpose tawreko log modulus of 10x is equal to kya ga manare log c ga manare. Then by using the log property these two terms can be expressed as log 10y into 10x which is equal to log c tareko and 10y into 10x is equal to c. So nang ni exponent power pisin bayai ko giving exponent power on both sides of the equation and cancelling e and log ga log ke cancel tawdoi ne aduga nang na phangdui se kai oina phangani 10y into 10x is equal to c. Sigi maong da khoina phange ko which is which is the general solution of the first order first degree differential equation. Nangon the piriba ngasai differential equation duki general solution tareko. Next question, question number 7. Y log y dx minus x dy is equal to 0. Kuna variable separable form aise dx ka y ga se separate to ya gadam niko. Sigi x dy se transpose to re na khalle duga left hand side te ire ko. Do y log y dx in the right hand side te ire. Then separate the function of x and y by cross multiplication. Cross multiplication used to separate those dy divided by y log y is equal to 1 by x dx tare, and integrating on both sides of the equation. Dy divided by y log y is equal to 1 by x dx tare ko. Integration losile. Integrating on both sides of the equation. Integration logo matamda stella kaduise koina integration of 1 by x dx log modulus of x plus log c haina hape ko. Tuga nangi left hand side se gi integral gi oina di substitution method pale. Log y is equal to t thame, then 1 by y dy se dt tadra. Se gi dy by y se kaina sentare dt se na sila ko. Aduna nangi integration se kaiga manarani. Integration se 1 by t dt is equal to log modulus of x plus log c, and integral of 1 by t is equal to log modulus of t is equal to log c. X na log property pale ko, x the c na multiply tore log t. Animak se log ngata na tra do the exponent power Pisin giving exponent power on both sides of the equation. E to the power log t is equal to e to the power log cx. E ga log ka se cancel taweba. Ani se cancel tawrakanda t is equal to cx tare ko. Then t na ngasai t have se kai ka managi. T have se log y tagiba na tra log y se musele se ko. Then replace this t by log y which is equal to cx, and again giving exponent power on both sides of the equation. E to the power log y is equal to e to the power cx. Cancelling e and the log, we have y in the left hand side, and for right hand side we have e to the power cx. Sigi form the like, which is the general solution of the given differential equation. Next question, question number 10. Question number 10 se mo say e to the power x 10y dx plus 1 minus e to the power x sec square y dy is equal to 0 pire. Housing nang na separate out do se kaino dx ka dy ka separate out se ko. Dy sina left hand side te thamo, dx in the right hand side. Transposition apply to taradi plus sign laibanina minus the lai ko. Aduga x ka y ka separate tawrasi sec square y dy sida 10y haina lae ko is equal to minus e to the power x divided by 1 minus e to the power x. We can separate the function of x and y by cross multiplication. Sec square y dy divided by 10y is equal to e to the power x. The minus sama common log to the minus plus tare ko e to the power x minus 1 dx, and integrating on both sides of the equation. Sec square y dy divided by 10y is equal to integration of e to the power x divided by e to the power x minus 1 dx tare ko. Integration की rule yenga since derivative of denominator 10y की derivative से sec square x substitution apply tawdoni ko, and derivative of e to the power x minus 1 e to the power x की e to the power x minus 1 the constant in a 0 tabam thoktra. Derivative of denominator since the numerator loin taragadi, integration of these functions will be equal to log modulus of 10y which is equal to log e to the power x minus 1 log iraga nangi denominator sing se irakadabane ito ekwa plus log c have se hape log 10y plus log e to the power x into log c tarekwa, and giving exponent power on both sides of the equation. Exponent power hapsen mamatamda e ga log ka cancel tawraga 10y is equal to e to the power x minus 1 kaina multiply tawre c na sigi mong se phangneba, which is the general solution of the given differential equation. Next question, question number 14. The given differential equation is dy by dx is equal to y 10x tare ko. Sida nang initial condition p ba. Y is equal to 1 when x is equal to 0. X na 0 ay bakanda nang y ki value se kya tayo hai ba 1. Initial condition p taraga di particular solution putokadoy ni. Koina ahanbada equation se ani ireko. First write the given differential equation, that is dy by dx is equal to y 10x. Then separate the function of x and y by cross multiplication. Sida dy leire y zatkre ko. Aduga 10x sigi dx ina nangi right hand side ta lai. And integrating on both sides of the equation. Integration lower siko. Integration of 1 by y. Log modulus of y tare. Aduga integration of 10x di log sec x tai ko. Integration of 10x se log sec x plus constant se log c hape. And equation y am laser ko. Log sec x plus log c di kay gamanani sec x into c. And applying exponent power or giving exponent power on both sides of the equation, e ka log ka cancel tawraga y se kay gamanare sec x into c si gamanare. C question number 1 ni ko. Koina mathangda c gi c se puthok tuineba by applying the initial condition. Substituting x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1 in equation number 1, we get x ki value na 0 thamo, y ki value na 1 thamsi ko. Y is equal to 1 and sec 0 into c. Since sec 0 ki value se 1 tai ko, sec 0 into c taradra. Yodi c ki value se kya phange? 1 phange. Hence y is equal to sec x. Nang si diariba c se 1 sin gradam ni ko. When hence y is equal to sec x is the particular solution of the given differential equation. Nang c ki value hapaga di solution se particular solution kaurani ba. Makata na koina extra question kari yengsi ko. 2008-2012 ta hangba question ni solve x square y minus x square dx plus y square x minus y square dy is equal to 0. Ista piriba differential equation se solve to gadawa. X square y minus x square dx plus y square x minus y square dy 0. Siya na nang ito ko. Then nangi dx ka dy ka se x square. Sige ahanba term si the x square common law yare y minus 1 dx tare ko. Stagi aina y square common law to di x minus y dy is equal to 0 fange. Then separate the function of x and y by cross multiplication. Si y square dy se dum thamme ko. To si dx se left hand side tagi right te transpose tawrasi minus sign thamme x square y minus 1 dx thamme. To by cross multiplication we can separate the function of x and y. Y square divided by y minus y. Dx tare ko dy which is equal to minus x square da kaina divide tawre x minus 1 dx. Mathang da transpose tawradi plus sign la aga su yai ko. Sigi y square ko y minus 1 degree sawa se kanan hele. Numerator ni hendra do di y square se kanan divide taw tare y minus 1 na divide taw thosi ko. Amuk rewrite tawre na khale nangi function se x square by x minus 1 dx plus y square by y minus 1 dy 0 sale ko. Tuga nangi sigi x square se x minus 1 na divide taw se ko. Ahan ba de x na sale x square minus 1 gi x ka di minus x tar. Nangi sign se loin change taw do ni ko. Tuna plus x pangani si plus layer ma se minus ta change tawradi cancel taw grani sigi x da x minus 1 na divide taw se plus 1 tai ko. Plus x minus 1 phangi. Adudi sigi na plus na minus te change tawre. Minus na plus te change tawre di plus 1 tare ko. Nangi algorithm se division algorithm se kamaina tawi hai tar di dividend will be equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder neba. To na stele risina nangi dividend da kaina divide over divisor na divide over ko. Small d is equal to q plus r da kaina divide taw tare d na divide taw rani ko. Sigi x square by x minus 1 gi form se kamaina ibayai. When x square is divided by x minus 1, we get x plus 1 is the quotient and 1 is the remainder. And so x square divided by x minus 1 can be expressed as x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 dx tare ko. Mathang sisu samanare y plus 1 divided by 1 minus 1 dy is equal to 0 chale. This is the leriba term singse with respect to x the integration law sina with respect to y the integration law siko. Integration of x square my power se 1 ne 1 the 1 hapsiladi 2 tare ko. X square by 2 plus integration of 1 x tare and integration of 1 by x minus 1 the derivative of denominators and numerator natra and the log modulus of x minus 1. Y plus 1 gi integration su y square by 2 plus y ꯇꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ plus log of modulus of y minus 1 is equal to c siga manaraniba si nangi general solution oireko aduga sigi x square y square grouping same si x square plus y square by 2 ama leire plus x plus y ama leireko aduga log x minus y into y minus 1 kaiga manatare is equal to c, and which is the general solution of the given differential equation. Next question. Mathangi question se question number 2 2011 da hangba question ni ko solve 1 plus y square 1 plus log x dx plus x dy is equal to 0 given that y is equal to 1 when x is equal to 1. Is the period differential equation se variable separable form neba 1 plus y square 1 plus log x dx plus x dy se 0 ni ko product of function of x and function of y aduga xy se separate over yabo oigedaba x dy thamore sigi term se plus se kone transpose tawradi minus 1 plus y square 1 plus log x dx dareko then separate the function of x and y by cross multiplication so dy 1 plus y square si separate tawgrani ko do 1 plus log x ida kaina divide tawbam to x and dx na divide tawre dy divided by 1 plus y square and 1 plus log x da x na divide tawbase koina first term second term se x na divide tawse ko 1 by x plus log x divided by x integration with respect to x dx the integration lowre sina with respect to y de lowre ko integral of the function in left hand side 1 by 1 plus y square integral or antiderivative se tan inverse of y tare and is equal to minus integral of 1 by x minus 1 by log modulus of x tare ko minus log x divided by x log x के derivative से क्या नो 1 by x ने बस देखो इन्हें substitution method apply तो रेको log x से t दा थमे derivative of log x से कई ताई d by dx of log x से अंक होत पा मतम दा 1 by x dx is equal to dt ताग्र ने बको 1 by x dx से dt ताग्र तब ने दना log x divided by x dx से कई कमाना नहीं हर का t dt ताने बा integration लौरा गति integration लव मतम दा t square by 2 हाइना थोड़ा अनिको दुना log x square divided by 2 plus कई लाकनी सी substitution apply तो बनिको नंगी log x है t दा थमो अदुगा अंका होलो log x whole square by 2 plus c फंगे को tan inverse of y c transpose तोरदी plus log x फंगे को minus से transpose तोरदी plus तारे log x whole square मखादा कई ना divide तोरे 2 ना divide तोरे दुगा c का मान हले को question number 1 which is the general solution of the given differential equation नंगी general solution ओरे सिगी particular solution पुथोक सिको particular solution से कमाई पुथोकनी Nang hajik general solution se tan inverse of y plus log modulus of x plus log x whole square by 2 is equal to c. Sinangi general solution ni ko. And given condition that y na 1 hoiba kande x se kya tai 1 tai hydra. Substituting x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1 in equation number 2 we get x की value 1 से लो y की value 1 sin से को tan inverse of 1 plus log modulus of 1 plus log 1 whole square divided by 2 is equal to c. Since value of log 1 0 natra 0 0 hape by solving this equation we get the value of c is equal to pi by 4 tareko. Therefore tan inverse of y plus log modulus of x plus log x whole square divided by 2 which is equal to pi by 4 kay gamanare pi by 4 nangis the period constancy sa kay na singrani pi by 4 na silani ko and which is the particular solution of the given differential equation sinangi particular solution orani ba. Last question, question number 3. Y root over 1 plus x square dy plus x root over 1 plus y square dx is equal to kya gamanare 0 tareko and solve this differential equation. The period differential equation se solve togadaba ahanbada koina ma se separate over yagadra yaroidra yengsiko sida dy thamme aduga dx in a left hand side ta thamme ko by cross multiplication we can separate the function of x and y. Cross multiplication of y dy kaina divide torakani root over 1 plus y square na x dx ta kaina divide torakadaba root over 1 plus y square divide toreko and integrating on both sides of the equation. Integration of y dy divided by root over 1 plus y square and x dx divided by root over 1 plus x square neba. Sida aina 2 hapsile ko, multiplying both sides of the equation by plus 2. 2 happy se kaigino 1 plus y square ki derivative se 2y taidana. 1 plus x square ki derivative su kai oina fangi 2x oina fangi aduna 2 se animakta hapsile lakpani ko. Now putting 1 plus y square is equal to t and 1 plus x square is equal to omega. Differentiation lause 2 times of y dy is equal to dt and 2 times of x dx se kaiga manare d omega tare ko. By applying this substitution, the given integrals becomes dt divided by root over t, and for right hand side minus d omega by root over omega sitare ko. Aduga nangi integration se t to the power minus 1 by 2 1 by root t means t to the power minus 1 by 2 ne, and integral of this function will be equal to t to the power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by minus 1 by 2 plus 1, which is equal to minus omega to the power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. Si hapsile ko t to the power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 t to the power 1 by 2. T to the power 1 by 2 means root over t divided by 1 by 2 and minus root over omega divided by 1 by 2 plus c. Si fange ko. Sigi minus se transpose already plus oina phanganeba. Duna root t means root over 1 plus y square. Nanga sai t have se kaiga managi 1 plus y square tadra. Adugo omega sina kaiga manai 1 plus x square. Do this c should be multiplied by kaina multiply tawgani 1 by 2. So the equation ang phangi ko, which is the general solution of the given differential equation. So main taraga koina nangi given differential equation se solve tawa yagani karamba method sizinaraga variable separable type. Variable separable type habadi x ka y ga se separate tawa yagadaba. For today, let's end here.